Today I'm going to show you how to easily change the audio output on your iPhone between headphones and speakers. Whether you want to listen privately or share your music, I've got you covered, so let's dive right in. The quickest way to switch audio output is through the control center. Here's how. Swipe down from the top right corner of the screen. Now look for the audio playback card. You'll see the currently playing song or audio. Tap on it. This will bring up a list of available audio output options. You can choose between your connected headphones, speakers, or any other compatible devices. Just tap the one you want. If you're using Bluetooth devices, like Bluetooth headphone or speakers, you might want to ensure they're connected properly. Go to Bluetooth, make sure Bluetooth device is connected. If it's not, select your device from the list to connect. Once connected, you can also change the output using the control center as mentioned earlier. Now, if you want more control over audio output, you can explore the accessibility settings. Go to settings and tap on accessibility. Now scroll down and select audio visual. Here you can adjust balance and output settings for more customized audio. If you have trouble switching audio outputs, here are a few troubleshooting tips. Make sure the volume is turned up on both your iPhone and the audio device. Try disconnecting and reconnecting your headphone or speaker. A simple restart can also often resolve audio issues. And that's it. You now know how to change the audio output on your iPhone between headphones and speakers.